How cute does Noah look? Oh, go away, Buddy. Super cool. He is on the front here again. What do you think? Okay, we'll go inside. So you got the hot plate, sink, fridge, ice cream machine, sandwich maker, juicer. This is where the juice is all going to be. The driver's seat. Different. Welcome on board Jimbo's. So we'll be serving, get your cash register.